The goal here is to configure the remote OpenPLC instance on the device. The first thing we do, we access the device with QB Connect, and we establish a connection both on the SSH port 22 to be able to get access to the file system, but we also use port 8080, which runs the OpenPLC web API. We connect those and get specific map ports. The first thing we do now is we go into the specific localhost port and log in. And now we create the OpenPLC instance that we need. The first thing we need to check is that start OpenPLC is checked, because then it can start in run mode. The next thing we need to do is we need to check hardware and select Raspberry Pi. And of course, you can also change your username and password. Then we go into programs and we leave the blank program, because we just call our program blank program in the next demo. This needs to be saved. It's already done here because I didn't do any changes. And then we are done here. So we also have map port 22, which means that I can now use an SFTP client. I can just log in. So I do that here. Also, this is a remote login onto the device now. I connect. I go into the OpenPLC directory. I go into the web server directory. And here is the OpenPLC database that we just configured. So I can just download this to my local download folder. I need to override it because I already did that once. And now we have the file, and now we can continue to work with the file in the next step.